Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your feng shui guru and paranormal expert. Horoscope, Gemini, May 21 to June 20, May 27, 2024, Monday. Horoscope, all about thoughtfulness. In a world like this world we live in, there should be what we call that good human dynamics. If you thought of others, others will also thought of you. Or there's a simple remembrance or a token being given to a guest or to a friend. Because having that human nature in us, we want to be appreciated. We want to be pleased. Ang horoscope po natin ito, araw ng Lunes, 27 ng Mayo, 2024, panahon ng Gemini, May 21 to June 20, may kinalaman sa thoughtfulness, yung naiisip mo ang iyong kapwa-tao. Halimbawa, meron siyang pagdiriwang, isang token lang ang magpapaalala sa kanila tungkol sa iyo. O isang pag-iisip lamang na tayo po nakakaalala sa kanila. At ganun talaga ang tao. Yun ang tinatawag na good human dynamics. At nire-require o gugustuhin ng isang tao na maalala mo siya from time to time. Kahit man lang tawag, text, o pagbibigay ng isang mahalagang oras para sa kanila.